Well, we're excited to have Shawn Coultice with us today from Katana MRP. And, the emphasis is on MRP that we're going to look at a little bit today. Sales order drives the demand of the manufacturer order. The manufacturer order drives the demand of the purchase order. Now it's time to fulfill the purchase order when the goods arrive. We go into receiving, and Katana has mobile receiving, and I think that's what we want to show you now.
Here is our mobile app. So for picking, you can do that here. But we also have, so be picking to fulfill a sales order out of your inventory. And here would be your receiving to go and put that inventory item into stock when you've received that purchase order. And so I've got a few different open purchase orders listed out here. And if I know which one I'm going to go and receive in, I can select that. And I could scan this item through a barcode. We do have a camera here, so if your phone or the device you're using, you can just scan the item barcode and that would update the quantity that you're receiving in. Or you can simply go in and enter in the quantity that you're receiving. Once you've entered in that quantity, click continue, and that would update your receipt. So you can go in and receive in your item that way.
So in order for your inventory to be accurate, I think this is an important feature. In order for your inventory to be accurate, we need the person that touches the inventory to be the person that records what he or she did in real time. When we empower them with a mobile device, then they can accomplish that. They can achieve that. We want to try to avoid them filling out the packing list, putting the packing list in an office somewhere on the desk, and then hopefully sooner than later, the office personnel will get around to recording what was received. So this is a great feature to help you accomplish inventory accuracy. And I think what most people are looking for, they're looking for inventory management software, is automation, right? We're showing you automated tools, inventory accuracy, and really the automation doesn't work very well unless the inventory is accurate. So we need inventory accuracy and then visibility as well. It's an online browser-based software, so you can access it from anywhere. And then with all of that, we can accomplish the ultimate goal to reduce overstock or stockouts and have good, healthy inventory levels. So our customers are happy and our accountants are happy.
Absolutely, Lance. Couldn't agree more. I think accurate inventory is one of the challenges, especially manufacturing businesses face today. And providing a tool that's easy to use, that they can have in the hands of every employee on their shop floor. We have unlimited users. So you've got your receiver, your shop floor employees that are putting the stuff together, but you've also got your salespeople, your purchaser, all utilizing Katana, working off of real-time data and adding to that data accuracy.
So then once inventory is in the system, we're ready to pick for work orders, pick for sales orders, finish work orders, finish sales orders. And when we receive in Katana, that creates a transaction in QuickBooks. And when we close out a work order in Katana, that creates journal entries in QuickBooks. And when we finish sales orders, that creates invoices in QuickBooks.
So when you look at managing inventory, it really is all about accuracy. And one of the challenges businesses face today, especially a manufacturing business selling online through e-commerce, is having accurate data to make proper business decisions. So when you look at Katana as that operational system, pulling in your sales order or your purchase order, making it easy for your employee to receive it. You have your employees on the shop floor that are able to track and make those things through production. And then you have your sales orders that are going to ship out and be picked. You have this accuracy of data throughout the entire environment. And Katana has unlimited users that ensure that all employees are working off of real-time data within the solution. And then we push that data over to QuickBooks Online to keep that inventory level perpetual and that value perpetual over in QuickBooks Online. But we're going to carry that detail information in Katana so that value is accurate over in QuickBooks Online perpetually, keeping your dollar value, your cost of goods sold, your profitability all in check. But the details that you might need to dive into from an operational perspective are all going to be housed and managed within Katana, giving you that real-time insight and better decision-making capabilities.
And we like the financial reports in QuickBooks to be accurate. Let's take a look at reporting in Katana?
Sure, sounds good.
What kind of reports do we want to see in Katana?
So let's go ahead here and we'll jump into our insights tab. And so there's a number of reports that you have depending on what you want to dive into. So whether it be specifically in your sales, on your manufacturing, purchasing, or just want to look at inventory, you can sort of dive in across all those different areas and see sort of trends that are going on within your business. So for example, from a sales perspective, I can see in the current month what my revenue is. I'm down 4% this month. What my cost of goods sold is, what my profit is, what my profit margin is. That's up 1,000%. So we're doing pretty good there on margin. I can also see my trends over a time period. So I can see what's happening over that time period from a revenue, profit, and cost of goods sold, which helps you identify how things are trending within the business visually. And that's one thing you see throughout Katana is this visualization of data, helping you make better business decisions. And you can even highlight these graphs and identify specific data points that you want to target and see what transactions were happening that led to that data point. So they're interactive dashboards that really help give you visualization of what's going on within your business as an owner.
So Shawn, who's a good fit for Katana?
Yeah, that's a great question, Lance. So when you look at our customer base today of the 1,600 customers that we're working with, it's a wide range of industries. One of the ones that we feel and we see that we have the most success with are food and beverage businesses that have traceability requirements. Often they have a bill of material, they're packaging, they're bottling some form of food, and they're distributing it through different sales channels. We see that also with furniture manufacturers. We do quite well with cosmetic businesses. Also in the clothing space, we do quite well within the apparel space. So those are some of the industries that we have a lot of success in.
Well, thanks for joining us today, Shawn. Katana is a great software program. It's a good fit for a lot of people, and it's always a pleasure to do another recording with you. So once again, I'm Lance, founder of Brandow Consulting. We help small business owners find the right inventory management software for your needs. We're agnostic and we partner with over 25 different inventory management software programs. And we approve this message. We like Katana.
A lot, Lance. It's always a pleasure. Appreciate being here.
Okay, so if you're still watching this, you're either an operations geek or you're just letting it run in the background, or this was super helpful and you were glued to the screen the whole way. That's what we do here at Brandow Consulting is we help you decide what software is right for you. So don't hesitate to reach out. And please, please, please react to this video. That tells YouTube that people like this video or if it was beneficial. Any type of reaction, YouTube says, oh, we'll let other people know about this video. So the commenting, please comment, subscribe, whatever kind of reaction you can come up with, react to this video. And we greatly appreciate it. Click the link below, come to our website, fill out a contact form. I'm Lance, inventory software expert since 2006, and we have a lot of other videos like this for other software programs as well.